Hello mga kahampas lupa, this is Clem Hampas Lupa. This is the tools that I use, and then that's the brand of bushing I put it in or press it in. So this is the tools I use: breaker bar, brush, steel brush, hammer, screwdriver, and mallet, 19 mm wrench, close and open wrench. That's the 12 1/2 ratchet, and then that's the old bushing. That's the new one, and then we need 19 mm socket, and then that's the new one now, the old one. And then that's the power tools I use: 1/2 impact wrench, and then 3/8 ratchet. All right, and then I use this one too, ball joint separator. All right, and then now it's time to install it. All right, this is Clem Hampas Lupa. See ya.